Welcome to Silkytreat Channel, easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, cold vegetable plate. The cold vegetable plate. Ingredients: boiled potatoes, cauliflower, 2 tomatoes, 1 cucumber, boiled hard eggs, gherkins and vinegar, carrot, 4 garlic cloves, mayonnaise, vinaigrette, mayonnaise mix, vinaigrette, garlic, cold pork chop, salt, pepper, whole raw eggs, neutral oil for the mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, fresh cilantro. Preparation: it would be wise to cook most vegetable a day before or at least a few hours before the cold preparation. Prepare a mayonnaise, whole eggs, vinegar, mustard, neutral oil, with the help of a hand blender. Blend. Prepare vinaigrette, with Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, extra virgin olive oil. Prepare mayo mix, vinaigrette, garlic. Clean, peel, and chop finely the 4 garlic cloves. Clean and chop the fresh cilantro. Clean and peel the tomato skin by the hot water method. Cut them in small cubes. Peel a cucumber, slice in small cubes. Boil potatoes, insert in the refrigerator so they get cold. Add mayonnaise, ground pepper and a little fresh chopped cilantro. Cook a carrot and get it cold in the refrigerator. Slice in 2 in the length. Cook hard-boiled eggs and get them cold in the refrigerator. Peel, mix with salt, pepper, mayonnaise and mash. Cook the cauliflower and get it cold in the refrigerator. Slice the pork chop already cooked and cold. The mayonnaise will be used for the potatoes and the hard-boiled eggs. The vinaigrette will be used for the tomatoes and carrot. The mayonnaise mix, vinaigrette, garlic will be used for the cucumber and cauliflower. The gherkins will accommodate the sliced pork. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.